Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can attach or remove the wristband to the Apple Watch 8. So here what we do is we're going to remove the band from the box, and on this clip here, right here, we're going to slide it into the groove on your Apple Watch 8. So what we do is we're going to hold it like this, so it's easy if we hold it like this, and we're going to have it stay at an angle around say 25 or 30 degrees, and then kind of like slot it right in. If we have it at the right angle, then it should be easy. If you find it's difficult to push it in, that means you are not at the right angle, so you want to twist it until you are at the right angle. So it is maybe around 45 degrees, I would say, maybe 45 or a bit 40 degrees, a little bit less. And then just at the right angle, you should be able to slide it right in very easy. Without any force, it should go right in very gentle. And then on the other end, again, it will be the same. You want to slide it right in at around 40 degrees, so hold it like that. And you can see there is an angle, and have this band turn down, not like that, but kind of down at the right angle, and then it should slot right in very easily. And you can just kind of slide right in just like that. And to remove it, there is a button right here, so you push in this button and hold it, and then you kind of like pull out. So let's do it again. We slide it right in. So you can slide it in from the top or from the bottom, it doesn't matter which way, as long as you move this piece at the right angle. And then kind of like push it in like this if you want. You can have one thumb at the other end and the other finger, and then kind of like push it right in, if whatever method is easy for you. And that's it. Once it is in, you can then have it onto your wrist or your arm, and then just have this one like that, and then move it around, and that's it. So that is how you can install or remove the wristband on your Apple Watch 8. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.